right. So let's kill this bear. See what. See if we can do it. We don't actually have a plan yet. I mean, there's a way to cheese the bear where you make a fire. I think the old school folks that play this game kind of frown upon that because I think
Wonder if I can drop any of this
probably
here.
earlier versions of this game, the fire didn't affect the bear. Right now, if you stand behind the fire, the bear will charge you and then it'll freeze right in front of you, and then you can shoot it. You just get a free shot, basically, like right at its face. And you know, it's hacky, not very clean. So let's try to do it without a fire. There he is. Okay. Now, I have seen people get on the roof. It's not this roof. Okay, it's a different cabin. We could shoot it and just run inside. I mean, that's another thing we could do. We could use the flare. You can kill it with a flare. I could. Man, I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna get light. Let's drop some of our gear so we can run. I have seen people. Do a sort of a. You know, they basically just keep running in circles away from the bear, and the bear just, and then you just take shots as you're sort of going around in a circle. I've never done that before. I think I could do it, but I'm still not light. I've never practiced it. I'm not going to practice it here. No way. Okay, we'll just pick that up. Okay, we want to be able to run just in case. He's getting closer, isn't he? Let's take a shot at him. Missed him. Crap. And I just scared him off. Great. Let's see. Let's get over here where we can run in the house. Try to shoot him again. That's probably too far. No, I hit him. Sweet. Now he's running. Oh, whoa, get. Oh, no! Okay, we're alright. We'll be fine. Alright. Okay. Let's take another shot at him, and then we'll run inside and heal. Oh my. Did I hit him twice or just once? Okay, alright. Stand up. Now you need to crouch so you don't aggro him again.
Need some first aid.
Yeah. Now always pick up your bow. Okay. Oh man, we are hurting. I'm gonna heal right now. Let's do that. Before we die. Now, we can't afford another one of those. Get him in the butt. Yeah, let's not risk it. Okay. That was fun. Alright, we'll get healed back up. I mean, the bear will bleed out. I wonder if I hit it that... I'll have to go back and look at the video and see if I hit it the second time. Otherwise, we'll have to run out there and find our arrow. So just making a mental note there. Okay. All right. This is interesting. We have a little issue now. Okay. How's her bedroll doing? How's her bed? Oh, I dropped it. No, thank goodness I dropped it. Jeez. Okay. Well, we'll have to make a head wrap too, so don't we get frostbite. Dare I go out again? Maybe I should get the flare gun and get that ready. Okay. Where is he? Oh, did you see that arrow just fall out of the sky? Does that mean that he despawned or something? Is that what that means? Did I screw that up? There's another arrow right here. This is the second one I shot. It's broken. Does that mean I hit him? Well, not necessarily. Oh, man. Sorry, I thought I saw another arrow out there. Okay. So does he despawn whenever you go inside like that? I guess we can look. Let's see. Stats. 0. Okay. Dang it. I hope he didn't despawn. They usually sort of die by their dens. And I think his den is over here. I don't always, but oh wait, there he is. He's still alive. I'm gonna make a fire. I'm gonna cheese it. You can kill him from inside a fishing hut. Maybe I'll do that. Let's just do that. You can sort of run in here and he can't get you. I didn't just reset. Hit him again. Oh, oh no! No! Oh my god, I lucked out. Oh, he froze. Oh, finally. Jeez. Wow, I got so lucky. I don't know, maybe the door threw him off or something, but he should have totally that game should be over right now, honestly. Wow. Alright, how many arrows do I have now? I think I just had like 15, I guess? Okay. Alright, well, whatever. Oh my goodness. Wow. That was fun. It wasn't pretty. I mean, I really should be dead right now. He should have totally got me. I didn't realize that the door was shut, so I couldn't run in. And then I think when I opened the door, it did something to the bear. Like it threw... I don't know. I don't know what happened there at all. Okay. Now, should I go back in and heal up, or... Because it looks like the weather's changing. So he'll be here. I think I'm going to go inside. What time is it? It's almost sundown. Let's go inside, because it looks like there's a storm coming. I'll get healed back up. I'll get some fuel. And we'll start cutting this guy up. Wow, so I hit him every time. I just want to make sure I'm not losing arrows here. I can do an inventory later.
Anything right now.
Oh, we lost both of our hats. That sucks. I think there's a scarf in the dam. So I'll have at least something. But I will have to make a head wrap, I guess. Wow, that was fun. That was fun. might run over there and see if the... No, I hit it. And then my first shot went over here. Did I ever pick that up? I don't know. Because I missed him my first... No, I picked it up. I think I picked it up already. They're just so valuable, you just want to keep every single one that you can. Okay, yeah, I think we made the right decision going inside. Looks like it's going to be a decent little storm we're going to get. Man, I really thought it was game over. I really... we should be like starting a new interloper run right now, because that was I don't know how that was pure luck. Okay. No food. There's never very much in these. You can get some cloth though. That's always good. But item-wise, it doesn't really. You don't really get much out of this on interloper. That is. Okay. Just want to make sure. I just don't want to take any more damage right now. Let's get ready for the old harvest time. See, I can't. And I lost combat pants too. So now I guess we'll make some deer pants, huh? Man, he messed us up. Look at our rabbits. Our rabbit mitts are toast. Not toast, but they are not 100% like they were before the bear attack. He just decimated our clothes. Just decimated them. Wow. These were also 100%. Look at our crampons. Wow. I just got messed up. Alright, well I'm glad I made up that tea now, so we can drink that herbal tea. And then we'll drink one of these guys. It's not going to help us with our clothing situation though, that's for sure. Let's see, we had a 15-degree warmth bonus, and now we have an 8-degree warmth bonus. So, yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's funny, it doesn't sound like there's a storm right now. Did it stop or something? Oh. I'm just checking. I wasn't planning on doing anything, but can you tear this down with your hands? Can. 45 minutes. Okay, let's do that, and then we'll go to sleep. Let's drink one more tea. Okay. I think 9 ought to put us back into the, not all the way back, but a decent amount ways back. sleep for a couple more hours, so let's try to get back some health. Oh man, when I saw that door was shut on the fishing hut, I was it's over. It's over. Okay, sleep a couple more hours. Let's try 3 hours. Okay. Alright, let's go out here and let's see, we have 12 arrows and then 12, 25, 26. So we've lost 2 arrows now at this point. We've only lost them here with the bear, so I don't know. I shot him the first time right there. And then oh, I'm glad I didn't try this tactic. I would have died. If you can like you can run. Nope. I am gonna light a torch before we get this fire going. Actually, let's go get the fire going. I'll come back to see if I can. That way we can follow the bear out while we while we search, because it takes a little bit for him to fall out. I don't have my hacksaw on me, so.
It's so cold.
Definitely it's cold in here.
I'm gonna lay down for
Like
a
the
bit.
heat up. We can't eat the bear, so we'll have to thrive on cattails for a bit. Actually, you know what? Let's make a little tea and warm us up while we run around here. I'm going to quarter the bear, and then we'll quarter the bear, and then just hack up the meat as we go, because I can move the meat over to the cabin, and then we can just run in there to warm up or whatever as needed. Also use it as a wind block if the wind picks up. Okay, probably not a good idea to search in the fog like this. I'm gonna do it though. I still don't know if I picked that first arrow. I'll have to go back and look at the video and see if I picked up that first arrow. Because if it hits the ice, it can go flying in all kinds of different directions. I have something on my monitor That's throwing me off. Okay. I keep looking at it.
If I don't warm up soon.
Alright, here's some other area where I shot. Probably run into some wolves too, but we have our torch. I'm gonna drink this hot tea. Put some more heat back. Here he comes. I would shoot him, but I'm pretty sure he'll just run off with my arrow, so I'm not going to do it. I'm not good enough yet with archery to kill him, so he would just run off. I mean, I could shoot him right in the face, I guess, and that'll usually do the trick, but, you know, it's not necessary right now to... Yeah, comes frostbite. It was kind of over in here. That means I have 2 arrows that I've lost somehow. I don't know. Did I miss him over here? He was over here? I guess I can go back and look. Okay. Alright. 2 hours. Got cedar. 1 cedar. How many sticks we got? 6 sticks. Alright. I'll take 2 to quarter him. Let's get some water going. That's always a good idea. Because it takes 2 hours to make 2 liters. I mean, it's a little less. As you get better at cooking, the time goes down, but it's more or less 2 hours. Okay. Oh, look at this. Now I can see.
And this pack is getting kind of heavy.
I'm just watching the wolves. And yeah, see, now he's coming towards me. Dropped it, and he moves. Okay, so now we want to carve up our meat. Do it in 5.5
I wonder if I can drop any of this
kilogram chunks until we get cooking 5. You can do it in smaller pieces, but I mean, it's kind of hacky.
I'm not sure I can carry much more.
Make sure we check our fire, time on our fire. See, I just got a skill up right there, but you only showed up once, so I don't know. I never know. Hour and 42. Okay. Oop.
Man, this pack is getting kind of heavy.
Oop. Hit the wrong button. I think my old settings were decoy. I have my button switched for draw weapon and decoy from what I used to play, and still have not got used to that. Oop.
I wonder if I can drop any of this gear.
Seems like it's 25 minutes for.
I'm not sure I can
Look,
carry much
actually.
more.
Minutes.
I'm gonna need to eat soon.
Two of these. This will do one more.
Man, this pack is getting kind of heavy.
I mean, this is an all-day thing, isn't it? Dealing with this guy. Hour and 6.
I wonder if I can drop any of this gear.
6 minutes. We do one more.
I'm not sure I can carry much more.
Okay. 43 minutes.
I'm starving.
Keep an eye on our hunger. 34 minutes. Let's go ahead and throw reclaimed wood there. Okay, 16, 15, do 3 hunks. Don't forget to eat. 1. Also want to keep an eye on your knife condition.
Pack is getting kind of heavy.
Alright, let's eat. If you eat the bear meat right now, you could potentially get parasites, and
I wonder if I can drop
I'm
any of
not
this
in
gear.
it's not necessary right now. I don't need food. I have cattails, so it is worth the risk if you really need to eat, to go ahead and eat some bear meat or wolf meat. Once you get cooking 5, that's no longer a problem. So that's really why it's such a huge boon once you hit cooking 5. Any food, no food will give you food poisoning at that point, except for like raw meat. Oh, I forgot to dump my cooked. The other cooked steak is hiding in there somewhere. Alright. 2 more. Probably should get my hide in there curing right now while I'm doing all this. I'm just killing hours right now of cure time. Let's do that. Also make another little lap to see if there's any
This pack is getting kind of heavy.
let's see, let's put some more wood on there. Grab another torch. Let's see. I mean, God, it could be anywhere, really. Oh, right. Oops. I was dropping the meat. We'll have a little confrontation with the wolf here in a sec. Just ignore him, I'll just go inside.
I need to find food.
Okay, I think I'm going to stop here. Got our bear cooking. We got
I'd eat snow if the
hide
hypothermia
curing.
wouldn't kill me.
Okay, and we lost our hat. It's been a blast. It's been a blast. Okay. All right, we'll end it there.